Hey, what's up? How's it going? My name is Weston Tisch, and I hope you guys like this fun little piece that I did for Southwest Airlines, because today I'm going to teach you how to do this with this. So I shot this thing on a DSLR camera, which is what I'm shooting on right now. But all you really need is a cell phone, this little guy, and a location that sets you up in proximity for the arriving flights. I'm here in Balboa Park, and it's the perfect spot. So as you can see, this is a pretty rad spot. The airplanes are coming right through this tree line. So I'm gonna grab the camera and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So we got a plane coming in right now. What you're gonna wanna do is set up your shot, create a little bit of anticipation. All right, that's shot number one. You wanna keep your location the same. This will be your second shot. And what you're gonna wanna do is create a little bit of pull, as if you just pulled it out of the sky. So here's your second shot. All right, now that we have our two clips, we're gonna bring them into a video editing software. Today, what I'm using is Adobe Premiere. We're gonna take our first clip and cut it right at the point of where we grabbed the plane. We're gonna take our second clip and cut it right at the beginning of where we pulled the plane out of the sky. Then we'll add a zoom effect to create some tension, some sound design to help drive that suspense, and then lastly, I added a camera shake effect to really pull the pieces together. And there you have it. Once again, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this inspires you to get out there and get creative. Thanks again to Southwest for this opportunity. My name is Weston Tisch, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.